Hello guys, our snack for today is lettuce, quinoa, tomato, cucumber, lemon, olive oil, salt, molasses pomegranate, and nuts. Yan, nuts. Ang tawag na nuts na yan. Basta nuts siya guys. Ayan o. Nuts. Nuts. Enjoy watching. Babush. Quinoa guys.